Lost the tree. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Whitetail Bushcraft. I'm out looking for some antlers. Haven't had very much luck. Been raining for, geez, probably a full week almost. We were getting swamped, and then we got some snow, and finally the sun's out, so I figured might as well get outdoors and do a little cooking. So stay tuned, guys. The old campsite's a mess. Had a tree fall, but we'll use that for firewood. First cookout in this fire pit in the old campsite. See if I can't get a fairly dry base and get a fire going. You guys seen me get a fire started 100 times. I think I'm just going to get it going and start some cooking. Lost my glasses. Once we get a fire going, guys, we'll start cooking. And today we're going to have some venison liver. I know a lot of people throw away the liver. I myself have thrown away liver before from the whitetail harvest, but this year we saved it and I cooked up some and I just loved it, so figured I'd show you guys how I did it, and maybe you guys want to try this recipe. Beautiful day out today. About 45 degrees in the sun. Everything's a muddy mess. I packed in some weight today. I got a workout for sure. Packed in 2 cast iron pots for this meal. This wild cook, I should say. Adds a lot of weight to your little pack. That little Italian rucksack, Italian military rucksack, works really good. We're going to start heating these up and start rocking and rolling. Had to wait a little while for the bacon and the hams and the smoked bones. Hope that's not whitening out. Just was packed 2/27/18 from our pigs that we had slaughtered. But we're going to start out with some of this, and then we'll break out the venison liver. That's what real bacon should look like. Nice and thick. If you could smell this, it's unbelievable. Already, you know I'm going to have to use some of that before I add it to just the plain dish. Bacon. The other white meat. Anybody tell me what that is? I figure it's just right size for a pair of tongs. But what kind of tongs are they? Trivia of the day, of the bush. dog won't stay away from it. Just standing right by me. Oh, that bacon's cooking. Show you what else I brought. Brought some mushrooms, some onion, some red jacket potatoes, the little ones. This bacon to burn, but you know, that piece right there looks like it's ready to eat. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to try that. Oh, son. Back to the vegetables. We'll start prepping these. Get back though. First thing that's going to go in is the potatoes and some of that bacon grease. Cut them nice and thin so they'll cook real fast. Don't know if I'll need all of them. Just cooking for me and a little bit for Bella, of course. Can't forget about the dog. Nice and thin so they'll cook fast. Like I say, they're in that bacon grease. One more. This is a nice size one here. Skin on. Already washed them at home. A little dirt never hurt anyone now. Now for some mushrooms. I like them chunky, nice and rustic. Almost lost them though. Lost one. No rhythm or rhyme to the cutting on them. Just getting them cut. And of course, an onion. Gotta have onion. Ooh, liver and onions. Then we're gonna go in with the bacon. And some with the potatoes. You know, I think it might even be easier just to get it all over in one pot, and I'm going to use this one. That one goes to the animals. So Bella will find it. I think I'm going to use this one for all the potatoes. Somewhere in my pack. I bought some butter. Gotta have the butter. That's going to go right in, and we're going to actually put some in here too, because we're going to start prepping this other pan for the liver. Get my fire going a little better, and we're going to start rocking and rolling. Here is our venison liver. I'm going to cut this up a little bit smaller, and we're going to go ahead and put this in some flour that's been seasoned. And start cooking this up. And we'll start putting this in the flour. Potatoes are softening up. That's why I cut them real thin, so they cook a little faster. Alright, I think I'm going to move this for a little bit. Get my pan ready for my liver. Garlic looking pretty good, and we're going to get ready to start putting these in as soon as that heat builds up a little bit on that one smaller pan. Got my bag of flour. Start throwing them in there. And in this flour, season-wise, I got pepper, salt, garlic powder, a little bit of bay leaf, and some oregano. Alright, I think it's time to start putting this liver in there. This won't take long at all, as thin as this stuff is. I don't want to crowd it too much. Bring you back for the flip. I'm sure it's time to do the old flip. Oh yeah. Nice and crispy. Still want them pink in the inside, but crispy on the outside. Just a piece of burnt onion. The only way to cook liver is in bacon oil, or bacon grease I should say, and onions. I'll throw a little bacon in there with that, give some more flavoring. And those are just about done, guys. Crispy. Get some of the bacon right with it. Time to start plating up some of them potatoes, mushrooms, and onions and bacon. This ought to be good for the arteries. Lots of butter, lots of bacon grease, some of the onions. I want to show you this beautiful plate of venison liver, cooked just right, tad bit pink in the inside is how I like them. Got some fried potatoes, mushrooms, bacon, and onions. And I almost forgot, got us a fine beverage. And the beverage of the week is another Jackie O's Pub and Brewery. It's a Firefly Amber, a unique amber ale illuminated by toasted malts and American hops. Right in Athens, Ohio. It's a 12 ounce. It's only a 4.5 alcohol, but today it's probably just right. But let's dig into this venison liver and drink some of this Firefly Amber. I am a muddy mess today, but you know, it was well worth it getting out here in the great outdoors again. But first thing we're going to do, try some of this beautiful venison liver. Oh, melt in your mouth. Oh my. As I always say, oh son, it just don't get no better. Oh, it's farm raised right here on this farm bacon. Potatoes and mushroom and onions came out great. Speaking of All Sun, guys, I did want to bring up the All Sun t-shirts are here, and as soon as I get the time, I'll make a video of me wearing a few of them, and hoodies. Every shirt or t-shirt or hoodie sold, $1 will go to St. Jude's Research Hospital for Children. Want another piece, girl? She likes venison, I'll tell you that. Got her spoiled already. One more piece. Good girl. I'll start eating my meal. Oh, almost forgot, guys. Almost forgot. Definitely got to try this Firefly Amber. Almost forgot about our Firefly Amber Ale. Definitely recommend that, guys. You guys are gonna end up thinking I'm an alcoholic. I'm really not much of a drinker. I'm a one beer kind of guy with a meal. If I'm on vacation or something, I'll party, and that's a different story. But most of the time, I don't drink a whole lot. But I like trying these different little Jackie O Pub and Brewery beers. Wow, I like that. 4.5 alcohol. Firefly Amber. Cheers to you and yours. Bella is a muddy mess. You're going to have to have a bath. Ready to go to the house, dog? Bella, ready to go to the house? You ready to go to the house? You ready? You ready to go to the house? I'm Nick with Whitetail Bushcraft. Thank you so much for joining me on another video. Always glad to have you guys out here. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you know when my next video is coming out. Take care of yourself. Wish the best to you and all of your family. I'll catch you on the next video.